Alright, what did happen? I know I beat Brock, and I did no off-screen training, so he's still number 14, or level 14, Mr. Fappuccino. And I think we just go to the next gym. Is that what the move is? We gotta go this way? Oh, who is this? Oh, I already said hi to you. You know, she didn't come over like I wanted her to, but it's fine. I'll get her next time. Do I have to go in here? I feel like this. I already went there. I'm not paying $50. We just gotta keep moving forward. Just keep going, which is not this way. Which is this way, I think. I hope. Here's open. Maybe not. What's up? Who are you? How the hell do you know my name? Oh, okay. Mr. Aid. So here you go. Oh my god. That's so clutch. That is so clutch. This is gonna be so much faster now. I can't wait till I get a bike. Let me see. There's a letter attached. Whoa, from a love. Don't give up. Oh, thank you, mommy. Oh my god. I am going so much faster. Oh my god. Look at that. They call me Usain Bolt. Oh my god. I think she wants to battle, so we go this way. Oh my god, dude, I'm fast as fuck, boy. I'm fast as fuck. Look at that. Oh. I mean, I knew that was gonna happen. Here's the terms of the condition of turn. Oh my god. Here are the terms of this battle. If I beat you, we go on a date tomorrow. That's what's happening. I'm gonna beat you with my water gun. That does not. That was a crit. That did nothing. What the heck? Fappy used bubbles, and Fappy's gonna bubble all over you. Did she only have one Pokemon? Nope, she had two. Make it a Geodude. Oh my god, why do you have two Pidgeys? If you have two of the same Pokemon, I heard that your toes are inverted. That don't make no sense. Just diversify a little bit. It's like stocks. You don't put everything on Apple. You put it on apples and then like bananas. I don't know. Meta. Don't buy Meta, because I bought Meta and now I'm down like 20, which is not fun. Not fun. Hopefully, there's another bug catcher. If he has Weedle, I am fucked. I like how I'm so scared of a Weedle. A stupid little Weedle. This little scrub. He's got a Caterpie though, so we're chilling. You suck. Caterpie dead. Bro, how did that not level up? Are you kidding me? Alright, here's the main boss. Here's the Weedle. We're gonna hit it with the water gun. I'm gonna on that motherfucker. Okay, he almost dead. Oh, he didn't use Poison Sting, so we're good. Hopefully I actually level up this time. Wait. If I'm slower than him and he uses Poison Sting and I get poisoned, I'll be very upset. What the? Why does that keep happening? What buttons am I pressing? What should I do in this exit? I was very upset I didn't need a tutorial about how to play the game, because I beat that mother. Fappy's leveling up, finally level 15, growing some balls almost. Fappy is a very girthy. We're gonna hit it with the water gun. Hopefully I don't die to poison. Now, I was like recalling my memory, and I'm under the upset. I am under the what is that word? I believe that poison doesn't actually faint your Pokemon. I think it just dwindles it down to 1. But I'm not sure, and I didn't look it up, and I really don't want to risk it, so we're just going to use the antidote, like right now. And we're going to use the potion. Little potion. We're just going to use one potion, because Squirtle's a tanky, girthy, fappy. I gotta stop calling him Squirtle, he's Fappuccino. Fappy's very girthy. He's a girthy fat. See, like, I could be a little bitch, but... Oh, am I gonna evolve? Oh, am I gonna evolve now? Ekans. You know that snake backwards? The E-K-N... E-K-A-N-S. It spells snake backwards. Bro, 1 HP in a dream over here. What is that? And he Oh, he didn't poison me. That was Poison Sting, though. We like it. We like it. Fappy not poison, we fuck with that heavy. Now, does he level up? Does he level up? Bro, literally edging Fappy. Fappy is really getting edged right now. Fappy can evolve, but he got edged. I'm using so many potions, and I don't even know how many I have left, which is kind of concerning because we haven't even entered Mount Moon. That is the location we're going to right now, Mount Moon, for all you newbies. Do I do it? I kind of want to do it. I'm going to do it. Do I just take on every single trainer? Is that the move? Is that the play? Or do I just start doing some gymnastics? He has 4 Weedles. That's actually so annoying. Fappy, we need you to one-shot, like, right now. We need you to one-shot. Please one-shot. Oh, he one-shot. Fappy's getting OP already. And he evolved. Or leveled up. Not evolved yet. I don't know if he evolves now. Is this 16 or 18? I think it's 16. Pretty sure it's 16. Caterpie. Does he one-shot Caterpie? He one-shots Caterpie. That's what we like to see. So now we're basically going to take over the entire game. Kakuna. You know, that's just cocoon spelled in a very fucked up way. Oh, he doesn't one-shot. The cocoon's hardening on Fappy. Very interesting move. Very, very interesting. We still take him, so it's fine. Perfectly fine here. Uno más. Metapod. What a stupid looking green dildo. And he doesn't one-shot. Both of them are hardening. I don't think that's how it works, buddy. You're supposed to attack. Attack, attack, attack. And if it doesn't work, you just keep attacking. Best offense is offense. Am I right? Best defense is offense too. Alright. Do we evolve here? Do we evolve? Do we evolve? $1 million question. We evolve. Let's go, Fappy. Fappy with the evolution. Oh, this is the first time looking at it. Whoa. Oh my god. Look at that. It's so mesmerizing. Wow. And now we got a war turtle. Look at that. Which is kind of funny because we might go to war. Because we are in war. America. Am I right? I kind of want to talk to the cutie over here, but I don't want to battle. And this guy definitely got some bugs. But do I attack this guy? I think that's the wrong move. I'm just going to go here. Oh my god. Everybody just wants a piece of me, bro. My meat is not this big. Although this is Wartortle's first opponent, and it's Caterpie. So hopefully he one-shots. I mean, Squirtle one-shotted, so Fappy should. Because Fappy is that guy. Fappy is really him. And he's leveling up still. I'm really Fappy at heart. Bull's still a special attacker. The special stats go crazy. He's a special Pokemon. Both mentally and physically. And he picks up the one-shot. Okay. Wartortle is just going to obliterate everything from now on. But, I probably should have said this before. If we are going to Mount Moon, which I think we... Oh, I literally stopped. I stopped moving, and then the guy kept going. How is that fair? They gotta change that animation, because that's doing shit to me right now. We're just going to assume that everybody in this game is of age. So, nothing I say is weird. No Epstein shit over here. No Diddy shit. Oh, he's still 100. We like that. Where do I gotta... Oh, I hope I don't have to go there, because that would be annoying. You know what I should do? I should invest in a repel. That's what big brain persons would do, but... just turn around. There we go. Look at that dodging skill. What does this say? Mount Moon, straight ahead. I have to pee so bad. Okay, I'm gonna avoid you. Don't. Bull turn around way too fast. Yes, little girl, move. Mount Moon is right there, and there's a... We like that, because now we get to see Nurse Joy. How we doing, Nurse Joy? This guy looks so mysterious. You better not take Nurse Joy away from me. I'll catch you later, baby. See you tonight. What's this way? Oh! Oh my god, the dodging skills. Incredible. I wish there was a Pokemon because I kind of want to buy a Repel. Although there's one little Pokemon that I kind of want to see. There's just one Pokemon I have in mind. You might use one of these here Pokeballs. Bullet Seed. That would be good if I had Blastoise or Bulbasaur, but Bulbasaur's stupid. But there's just one Pokemon that I kind of want to check out. This game's too easy. It's already too easy. See, once I got past all the confusion in the first half of the game, second half is just a clean sweep. I don't know why my English isn't working today. It's my second language. That's my excuse. Where do I gotta go though? Am I gonna get lost again? I feel like I should talk to her. I don't think she's gonna. Oh my god. Be the Pokemon. This is not him. Do I talk to her? No. That's my decision. Please let it be the Pokemon. Oh my god. I don't even know if I can get it here. I think I can get it here. I'm like pretty sure I can get it here. Pretty positive, pretty sure. But like I'm like 97% sure. Oh, I forgot there's ladders and shit. Oh, what is this? Zekrom? Mewtwo? This is not the Pokemon, I'll tell you that right now. No bugs on this team. Except for like Spider-Man. But I guess technically spiders aren't bugs, they're arachnids. I think I said that word wrong. But technically they're not bugs, I think. Team Rocket. I forgot about that. I think this is the way to go. I think I'm doing this first try. I'm basically him. We gotta beat a bunch of ratatatas. Oh, Sandshrew. Ooh, kinky. Please get one shot. Fucking go. Fappy's too good. This game's gonna be too easy. I need to catch somebody else to make this game a little more difficult. The ratatata. He get down easy. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. I'm basically on autopilot mode. Dude, look at that. I said autopilot and Fappy has wings on him. That was not planned whatsoever. Although we're going to say it was planned because I planned everything out. Bubble doesn't hit? Does it 2-tap? Does Bubble 2-tap? Question everybody wants to know. It does not 2-tap. Ooh, interesting. That is astonishing. You're right, Zubat. It 3-taps though. I don't know what to tackle. Say some PP, you know? Because Fappy's PP is pretty big, but it's not enough, you know? It's just kind of sad. If anybody says your PP isn't enough, just know that it is enough. Oh, this isn't the right way. Why would I go the right way the first time? Why would that happen? This Pokeball better be something very good that I need immediately. Which is not very much things. It could be Mewtwo. I don't even know what that does. I think I literally sell that for money. Which low-key not bad. I like money. I don't love money, but I like money. I'd rather have like the Pokemon that I actually want. It's not that. It's just not this. Hopefully I find it this episode. Hopefully. I don't think I will though. Knowing my luck. Maybe I should have like looked it up beforehand and like determined where exactly to find this Pokemon. But that would be too much work. Why would I do that? It's not a Zubat. I'll tell you that. Why is the wall leaking? Ooh, I found a potion. Now, if I beat this guy, does he like heal my Pokemon? Oh, I was just about to move. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Go, 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 go. Yes. Ooh, rare candy. We like that. I like candy. I think I just keep going this way. Nope, not a Zubat. Just keep swimming. Just keep. Escape rope. 12-fig estate plan. That was the escape plan. Ooh, Baldy. Haha, you stupid idiot. Oh, shit. It's not a Geodude. It's not. It's not it. Stupid rock. I have a feeling I don't go down this rope. Although, it's right there. And I'm gonna do it. Because it's right there. We're gonna go down the rope. Oh, there's another ladder. I think this is the way to go. Nope. Oh my lord. Please be it. Please be it. Nope, not a Geodude. Alright. Thief. You're stealing my precious time by not giving me the Pokemon that I want. Why is there water coming out of the wall? Why is this guy just standing there like an idiot? Nope, not this one. We're back here. Oh, I don't. Yes. Nope. Not this one. This way. Ooh. Chunky dog. He's chunky. Moonstone. Might need that. Might need that. Hint, hint. Might need that. Is it this way though? I have a feeling it's not. What is your deal? Oh, your deal is I can't even interact with you. Not this Pokemon. Very disappointed. This way, and now we go down. Is this the right exit? Is this the Pokemon? Nope. Watch, it's not even in here. Watch, I'm hyping up this Pokemon and I'm not even gonna find it. There's a Pokeball though. Revive. See, to use that revive, I would need another Pokemon. I don't have one. This way. Maybe I was supposed to beat that trainer. Or that Team Rocket runt. These Zubats, bro. No, turn around. Oh my god. Oh my god, if I see another Zubat. Holy shit. Did I just speak it into existence? Wow. I jinxed myself. I deserve that one. I deserve it. It is what it is. But please tell me I'm going the right way. Please. There's so many Team Rocket grunts. I think that means I'm going the right way. You're not the right Pokemon, buddy. You're not that guy. Alright? Settle down. Wait, so after beating that gym, does Pokemon under the level of 20 obey me, or is it 30? Because I'm already at 18, so if it's 20, that's like useless to me. So, I think I have to beat this guy. This guy wants a piece of me. Look at that. He looks so stupid. Look at how he's leaned over and shit with his rat-ta-ta-ta-ta. I wish it was more like the show. Like they had the white suits and their goofy hair. I wonder why they're not in the game. Hyperfang does a lot, doesn't it? Nope. Stupid mouse. Mickey Mouse ripoff. You'll never be Mickey Mouse. You'll never be Pikachu either. Zubat, you'll never grow eyes. Imagine using echolocation to see. Now you're just leeching off of me. Get those 2 HP back. I bet you'll love that. I'm gonna take it right back. There we go. Okay, see, like, we're level 19 now, so if I level up one more time, trying to learn Bite. Ooh, kinky. Can't learn 4 moves? We'll let you learn Bite, buddy, don't worry. You don't need Withdrawal. This is only 20 base power, but it may lower the opponent's speed. This is only 40? We don't need this one right now, but those are weak moves. I thought they did a little bit more than that. It's okay, he learned Bite now. Fat bite people. Oh, he's mad. You're just bad at the game. This way. It's this way. I knew that. Just keep going. I have a feeling I'm going to be fighting somebody in a couple steps. Hey, stop. Those fossils, they're both mine. Oh! I forgot about the fossils. Super Nerd Miguel. Grimer. Which one do I get? Which one should I get? I know it's like the bug one and the other bug one. And like one of them's water and then the other one is no, they're both rocks. One of them's a bug and one of them's water. What one do I want? I already got the water type Pokemon starter. So I probably should get the bug one. Oh wait, do I die to this? Thank God we learned Bite. Thank God we learned Bite. Oh, he doesn't have an electric type move. We benefit that. We like that heavily. That is heavily in our favor. Please don't let it be coughing. That's fine. We look at how stupid he looks. He's so happy and he's gonna die. Take his happiness away. Why is his animation like that? He looks so stupid. He's like high, just looking up, all happy. Oh, he poisoned me? What? What a pussy. Why'd that do so much, that poison? Yeah, that's what you get for poisoning me. Super Nerd Miguel. Meagle. That's what I'm gonna call you now, Meagle. We'll each take a fossil, no being greedy. Don't want this one or this one? The dome fossil. Ha, straight off the dome. The helix fossil. Okay, here's the problem. Here's the situation. I don't know which one is which. And you know what? I don't know which one is which, and it don't matter. We're gonna go for the dome because I'm not gonna use this Pokemon anyway because they're stupid. I don't think I ever used an ancient Pokemon before. Maybe in Sword and Shield. That stupid fish. The Electro chicken thing. Antidote. We like that. Alright, do I use the escape rope or should I look up if this... Oh, thank God I did not use the escape rope. Cerulean City. Hold up. Quick timeout. Let me do some research. Oh, I was being stupid. You can't catch that Pokemon there. Oh well, I guess you guys are gonna be kept in suspense. I kind of want to see what's going down here. This is interesting to me. I hope I have enough potions left. Look at that sparkle in his eye. Look at that sparkle in Fappy's eye. Whoa. Whoa, I thought you guys were gonna... A kick of brutal ferocity packed with destructive power. Mega kick is the ultimate attack. Do you agree? Okay, I'll teach you to... Whoa! Yes. Oh, he can learn it. Is this mega kick or mega punch? Mega kick. Yes. Which move? Is this like a one-time thing? What the fuck? How are they gonna give me this move already? What the ball sack, bro? Let me look at the punch first. Let me weigh my options, see which one's better. Yes. Oh, I didn't learn it. Shucks. Calling back to the... Wait, did he say I can? I don't know. Punch of roaring ferocity. Punch, punch, punch. Yes. Okay, that's fine. I would love to learn it. Do I go punch or kick? Are they the same? Are they the same? Are they the same? Are they the same? I have to pee so bad. You guys do not know. This one has 20 PPs. The foe is slumped or slugged by a punch thrown. Okay, here's the situation. Both of moves can miss. And I hate missing. Tackle can miss? What the hell? I didn't know that. Wait, that's actually crazy. I didn't know that. Do I just get the bigger one? I'm gonna get the... This is like the last case scenario. This is like shit hit the fan. Call the ambulance. So we're gonna get the other one. We're gonna get Mega Kick. No. Yes. Oh, that sucks. We're gonna get Mega Kick. Because this is like last ditch scenario, like shit hit the fan, all hell broke loose type of situation. And we're gonna, like, it misses 25% of the time, but tackle can miss 5% of the time. Uggy, let's go here. Maybe this way. Nope, not that. Why would they tease me? They teased me like that. Down. They also teased me like this too. Why you keep teasing me? Why you do me dirty like this? Oh, this. What is that? Roar. They have Katy Perry in the game. That's so inspiring. It's all the little girls. I wonder if the Pokemon is in this forest, this patch of grass. You know, I should do research, shouldn't I? Should I do it? Should I see if it's in the grass? Or should I do research? I'm gonna do research. Oh, I should have done research for... Oh, are you stroking my cock? Do I even have Pokeballs? I don't have Pokeballs. Right? Alright. Key items. Pokeballs. Oh, I do have Pokeballs. How many Pokeballs do I have? 6. I don't know if that's gonna be enough, but we're gonna try. We're gonna go wee woo, woo woo. What am I on Route 4? It's not Atkins, I can tell you that. Let me do some research. Ratatata, Sparrow, Atkins, Mankey. It's not here. It is not here whatsoever. So we run. Okay, moving on time. Yada yada yada. I wonder where it is. Maybe that would be the better thing to look up instead of what can I catch in this specific area. Can I get a bike now? Oh, bike shop. Oh my god, please don't make it a bike. Hey cutie. How you doing? Trying to give me a bike? Do I have to talk to you? Who do I have to talk to? Welcome to the bike shop. Have we just wait for you? How much you paying? $1 million for a bike, bro? What are we doing here? What are we doing here? Yes. Oh, you calling me poor, you fucking asshole? I will never do business with you again. That is insane. I'll see you later though, okay? But your dad or whatever, pff, what a jerk. Is that a slow, bro? That funny. That made me fun. That's a funny. That's a haha. Oh my god, it's another gym. Whoa. But I want to catch a Pokemon. Where is... Let me see where this Pokemon is. Research time. Oh, we did miss it. Oh my god. I was right. Oh, we missed it. Oh no. Nurse Joy. I just got the worst news ever. I have to go backwards. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. I know exactly what I'm doing, Nurse Joy. I'll see you later. After I talk to you. Who are you? Go upstairs. I don't have any friends. You just made me feel bad. We're done. We broke up. But we're gonna... Oh! I forgot about this. You can run now. Oh my god. This is gonna make it so much faster. We're gonna go here. Here we go. And we're gonna buy... Oh, I can only buy 15. That's like nothing, and that's all my money. So, let's buy this many. Yeah, that money. We're gonna buy that money. And now, we're gonna run. Cause, excuse me, cause I can do that now. Oh, look at that, fast as fuck, boy. Fast as fuck. Oh my god, can I not go backwards? Hold on, I can't go backwards anymore. Wait a minute. I can't go backwards. I forgot about that. Oh my god. I can't go backwards until I learn to fly. I am actually devastated right now. I am so devastated. The Pokemon I need is on Route 3, and I can't go backwards. For some reason. Oh my god. Can I like try to finesse somehow? Option. No, I'm actually, this is devastating. Can I go this way? You're gonna stop me? You're not gonna stop me? What is the point of this? This game is making me so mad right now. This is actually bad. Who are you? Do I have to talk to you? You look important. Only skill, collect badges. Actually, you have at least one. Amazing, did you know? Eight badges, should I describe? None of them, please. Oh my god, that would be boring. That is actually worst case scenario, just sitting through that. This way. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Oh, okay, gay. You want to take all my war turtle? Okay. Okay, buddy. You have 4 Pokemon already? Holy... I'm gonna die. I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose. What is this? What is... You have a level 17 Pidgeot already? Why is this game hard? Guys, I'm gonna die. And he has quick attack. Yo. This is not funny. And he's switching Pokemon, bro. Fucking Bulbasaur. I have a level 18 Bulbasaur. Why did you not level that up? Come on, Fappy. Oh, we like that. We like that a lot. Leech Seed. Dude, Fappy's him. Okay, Fappy. I didn't know your game like that, boy. Wait, am I gonna win? I have a level 20 Fappy versus his entire squad. Please say Arcanine. Oh my god. We need him to have a fire type. Dude, this quick attack, bro. Another crit. We didn't need it, but we'll take it. 2 Pokemon down. This is the worst trainer alive. Gay is actually bad. Do we one-shot with water gun? Or do we... Let's try. Do we one-shot? We don't one-shot. We don't. We don't, but it's okay. Because we have bite. Oh my god, this quick attack, bro. This chip damage is actually adding up. I'm in shambles right now. I don't know how we're winning. It's a 1v1 now. Is it Abra? Bro. That's super effective. I know that. Stupid idiot. Stupid dumb. Let's go. I won. I didn't think I was gonna win. I was actually like in shambles when I saw he had a level 17 Pidgeot. I was like, bro, what are we doing here? I can't believe I actually beat you. You're actually gay as fuck, bro. You're so bad. Odd pages, bills. I don't care. I beat. Dude, don't talk to me. I just beat you. And I didn't even beat the gym. Why are you coming back? You're always plotting. What does that even mean? Fame checker. What does that do? Smell ya. You're gay. Why are you smelling me? Route 24. Can I get you here? Let me do some research real quick. Let me do research. Route 22 near Viridian City. Bro, I have to go backwards. Whoa, did not mean to do that. I have to go backwards. This is actually bad. I don't know how I'm supposed to do that. All right, let's heal up. Nurse Joy, baby. I have so many problems. You don't even know. I missed the Pokemon that I wanted. I can't go backwards. And Gay, it was being very mean to me because he was trying to attack me when I was vulnerable. But I'll catch you later. Let me beat this gym. I think it's a water type gym now. Yeah, it's Misty. Get the mermaid badge. Hey trainer, yeah, of course I am. You freaking dumbass. Dummy dum. Yeah, I'm in shambles right now, guys. Hopefully this gym isn't bad. It's a water type versus water types, so it could be worse. Can I just... Is this hacks? Oh, it's not hacks. Oh, that would have been sick. Whoa, taking a deep dive. Do I talk to you? What's up, big dog? What up, Four Eyes? Yeah, I know. I don't have those. And the Pokemon I wanted to catch, well, oh, I can avoid. Mama don't raise no bitch, though. Come on now. Did he say let's slap it or let's flap it? Guys, I have to pee so bad. This is bad. This is so bad. I've been holding this in this entire video. But it's okay. How did that? Oh, it flinched it. Bite is actually so underrated. Do I use Mega Kick? I feel like that's OP. I feel like that's a little too much damage for this. There's a little bit of damage. Oh yeah, Fappy, Frappuccino. Wait, so like, what's the next Pokemon I should get then? This is actually throwing me in for a loop. Like, I feel like a bunch of you guys can figure out what the Pokemon that I want. But for those who don't know, I'm going to keep it a secret because I think it's funny. And you guys are dumb and should be ashamed for not knowing what Pokemon I want. But, oh yeah, there we go. Diana. I didn't even know that was a thing. What, do you just go on picnics all the time? Bite. Ooh, flinched it. Wait, this Pokemon is dangerous because it has a move that is very powerful that I'm forgetting. So thank God for these flinches. I think it's like Mega Horn or something. Or like Horn Drill. Isn't it like a one hit KO? Right? Doesn't it do like so much damage that I would have died if it were to have hit me? Did I even take damage with any of those battles? Do I need to heal myself? Let me check. Let me check. Let me see. Let me see. Go up. I didn't even take damage. Bro, I'm literally him. I'm him. Let's go. Hi, Misty. Hi, cutie. How we doing? Yeah, I know. We got water types. I know. Misty, I'm having such a bad day right now. I have to pee. I didn't catch my Pokemon that I wanted. This is so bad. I'm gonna take it out on your Staryu. I'm gonna bite you, too. This move can never miss. Yeah, I know it's not very effective because I'm specially tanky. Because Fappy's him. He's special. And it's a water type move. So this isn't gonna do shit. Watch I get crit. Like, that would have been bad. Okay. Little 2-tap on the Staryu. And he levels up. Oh yeah, Fappy. You're so good. He has 40 special attack. That's all that I care about. Star me. Staryu, star me. Do I Mega Kick him? Does it land? Does it land? Does it land? It lands. That did nothing. What? That does double the damage as this bite. And Swift is doing so much damage. It's super effective. Is it a psychic type? I was not aware. And she used a special. Bro, Misty, you're such a bitch. I don't even have any of those. Oh, dude, I can't believe I can't backtrack. I think there's like 2 or 3 Pokemon that I wanted to catch in this video that I just can't. Do I survive? I was at 30. That did 11 points of damage. If I get crit, I die. Don't crit, don't crit, don't crit. I win. Cinema. I'm very good at this game. Am I level 23 now? I'm 23. They call me Jordan in the streets. Yeah, it's whatever. I'm basically him. I know I'm too much. I'm sorry. It's too big. 8 inches, by the way, but it's okay. Yay! Level 30. Obey me. Do I get a water type move now? Oh, I can use cut now. Where do I get cut? Water pulse. Ooh, we actually are teaching that right away to our boy. Can he learn any of these moves? Well, let's see. Thief. We have bite. We're using water pulse though. This water pulse definitely gonna be our best water type move. And I don't think it misses, right? It never misses, correct? Correct. I think in the later games it doesn't misses, but nobody fucks with Bubble. So go Bubble yourself. Poof. Fappy just learned Water Pulse. What a legend. Oh, I forgot I have the fossil too. Alright. We're gonna end it here. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Hopefully I catch a Pokemon next time. Hopefully one of the 5 other Pokemon that I want are going to be available to me to catch. If not, that would suck. That'd be very bad. Hopefully I learn Fly, because if I learn Fly, I can go back and then catch the Pokemon. No problems. I'll catch you later. Peace.